Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rinnai Tankless water heater not working, common problems and solution guide. Fix 1 is check the power supply. Make sure the water heater is plugged into a working electrical outlet. Check the circuit breaker and reset it if it has tripped. If your model has a power switch, make sure it is turned on. Check if the display light up and restoring power. Second one is reset the water heater. Turn the water heater off, then unplug the unit or switch off the breaker, then wait for 30 seconds. Restore power and turn the breaker back on. Test the hot water. Third one is check the gas supply. Make sure the gas shut-off valve is fully open, then check whether other gas appliances are working. If you are using propane, make sure the tank is not empty. If you smell gas, stop using the heater and contact your gas supplier immediately. Fourth one is check the water supply. Make sure the cold water supply valve is fully open, then turn on a hot water faucet completely. Verify that your home's water pressure is normal. Fifth one is clean the water inlet filter. Turn off the water supply, locate the cold water inlet filter, then remove the filter carefully. Rinse it under clean running water. Reinstall the filter and turn the water back on. Thanks for watching.